What is up, everybody? You got Skunk72. I'm rolling out here in Chatsworth, California, where it's supposed to be sunny, but it's not today. So we plug the business here. I'm at Wheels in Motion. My buddy just bought this MT-07, and he's got no road experience, so I'm riding it home for him. And I figured, why not film while I'm doing this? Get a chance to ride a bike I've never ridden before. So this is a 2018 model. My buddy got a really good price on it because it's leftover, brand new. It's got like half a mile on it. I didn't do a whole lot of studying, so I don't know a lot about the bike, and this is just going to be more about the ride. But anyway, it does have standard analog brakes. It's, I believe, 689 cc's. It does not have rider modes, so it's just like the basic model. And yeah, that's about all I got to say. Let's go ride. Like I said, I'm going to go cruise around the parking lot a little bit because I've never ridden this bike before. I've got these big ass Harley riding boots on right now, so it's going to be hard to get to the gear shifter. Oh yeah, I'm not used to this riding position at all. And I'm also used to my turn signals being on opposite sides instead of just a one thumb switch. So this is going to be interesting. I have to do shifting with like the edge of my boot. Mirrors, I don't know. We'll see how usable they are. Right now they don't look like they're going to be very usable to me, but we'll see. And I gotta take it like really easy. I got like a 70-mile ride ahead of me. Oh yeah, the edge of my boot works to shift. And try and have these tires scrubbed in for him by the time I get there. So far, I don't know if I like the seating position. This is just not comfortable for me. But we'll see. Maybe I'll just get used to it. No auto-canceling turn signals. Another thing I'm going to have to get used to. And those mirrors are useless right now. I've got to set them right. I don't know. This is kind of fun. I think I'll get used to the seating position. It's just not what I'm used to. Oh, torquey little mother, though. Holy crap. I wasn't expecting it to be that torquey. Like I said, brand new bike has got no miles on it, so kind of gotta take it easy. It's at 70-mile ride or so. I'm gonna go ahead and stay off the freeway for a little while I get used to it. But so far, so good. I don't know if I mentioned before, it does come with standard anti-lock braking, which is nice, especially since my buddy is a beginner. He has, I think, the experience he has on a bike is the safety course that he took. Ooh, the brakes are good. Well, nah, back's a little spongy. Front brake is a monster. And yes, we're in California. I could easily lane split right now, but I've ridden this bike for all of a mile, so I want to get used to it first. The way I plan on going home is going to be surface streets through the valley. If you know California, my buddy lives all the way in Lancaster. So I'm going to take Solid Canyon. That way I can do a little twisty riding on it. Work those tires in a little. Can't believe how quiet it is. Can't even tell if it's running. Suspension feels pretty darn smooth. clutch is going to take a little getting... God damn, what a jackass. Clutch is going to take a little getting used to where it lets off. It's like totally different than where mine does. Friction zone's in a totally different place. Alright, I like it. So if any of you are into that, I believe Wheels of Motion has Kawasaki's, Yamahas, and Ducatis. Dennis, very cool salesman there, so if you're in the area and you want to buy a bike, go check him out. Strangest thing, Dennis actually is the same guy that sold me my Harley. I had no idea he had come to this store and was no longer... well, I knew he was no longer working for Harley. I didn't know he was at this store. When we walked in to show this bike to my buddy, there was Dennis. And as of right now, they still have a couple of 18s. Price is knocked down on the brand new 18s that they have left over to, I believe it was $56.99, which is like $2,400 off. So I mean, it is a good deal. Oh god, yeah, I could have some fun on this. Brand new bike, take it easy. Oh, this is fun. So yeah, I know I've mentioned several times that I am a Harley rider, but I am so not a motorcycle racist. I love anything on two wheels. And this is a lot of fun. I think I would buy one. If I could afford another bike, I would have considered, especially with that deal that they got going on, I would have considered telling Dennis, go ahead and drag another one out here because I want one too. Now, a couple of you might frown upon it, but I actually talked my friend out of buying a Ninja 650 or 600. I'm not sure what it was. All I know is it was a Ninja, and I talked him out of it because he has zero riding experience. And I don't think he really needs to be on a bike that's geared to do 160 miles an hour when he's got no experience. Oh, yeah. I love it. This is cool. I don't want to take it home to him. I want to keep it. So anyway, after I talked him out of getting the Ninja 600 or 650 or whatever the hell it was, he had mentioned maybe getting one of the small Ninjas, the starter Ninjas, like a 250 or something. I honestly didn't think that was a good idea either because I was afraid he was going to outgrow it too quick, and then he'd have to unload it and get a new bike. And I've done a lot of research on these MT-07s just because I've always liked them, and I figured it would be a good place for him to start. Not going to grow out of it too quick. You can learn how to ride on it as long as you're careful. And as the bike will like grow with him is what I'm trying to say, I guess. He's always going to have a lot of fun on it. So far my recommendation is hell yeah. If you have the means, get one of these. I guess I'm comfortable lane splitting already. And the riding position I was talking about, yeah, I'm already used to it. It's comfortable. Stock seat, fairly comfortable, even though I've only gone a few miles, so I don't know what it is like long term, but it's not bad at all for a stock seat. Love how this thing takes off. I just hope my friend's careful on this thing. I don't call what I do on these rides, I don't call them bike reviews. If you ever seen any of my other ones, mostly Harley rides and some Indians, but also BMW I rode. I don't call them bike reviews because I don't claim to be an expert on reviewing bikes. I'm just giving you my impressions and telling you what I think of it. Because I've had a lot of people talk crap to me about it. And a lot of people have talked crap because of the fact that I enjoy every bike that I ride. I don't know, maybe if I come up with the money I could buy one of these, because I know my son wants to learn how to ride, and I'm not going to throw him on my 800-pound Harley to learn. I don't know, man, maybe if I could find a holdover next year, a holdover 19, maybe, we'll see. Maybe put in some extra hours at work to buy one. What the hell's the speed limit here anyway? I have no idea. Oh, there was the speed limit. It's 40. I'm going too fast. I gotta slow down. But I don't want to. Alright guys, this is definitely a fun bike. I know this bike is capable of bringing the front wheel up if you grab a handful of throttle. I'm not intending on doing that. It's not my bike. And again, I know you can wind this thing out a lot more than that, but you know, again, brand new bike, brand new bike, brand new bike. I don't want to overdo it. I know the guy who gave my buddy the rundown was telling him what RPM to keep it under, but I wasn't really paying attention for the break-in period. I think it's like try and keep it like under 5 or 6 or something. Tires actually feel pretty good for being new. They're not too bad. I'm not slipping around at all. Yeah, the more I ride this, the more I'm thinking I just may go ahead and try to save up some money and get one of these to teach my son on before I throw him on a Harley. He's like me. I'm from a Harley family. I grew up around Harleys and I love them. I don't ever see me not owning a Harley, but I could see me owning a second bike. Ruh-roh. All that crime scene tape up at a car accident. I really hope a little kid didn't get hit by a car there. So again, like I said, this isn't a review because, you know, I'm just another dumbass on a bike. I just wanted to give you my thoughts. And I think I've pretty much done that. So definitely recommend this MT-07. Or, I don't really like to recommend anything to anybody. Go test ride one, find a demo ride somewhere that you can do, and see if you like it. But I like it, so I honestly don't see why anybody wouldn't. So give them a check out. I think I'm gonna call this little demo ride review-ish type video. I'm gonna call it quits and jump over into my moto vlog and do a little bit of that. So rubber side down, shiny side up. Everybody stay safe and peace out. Alright guys, I kind of lied to you a little bit. I'm pretty comfortable, so... okay. Yeah, as I say, I'm comfortable. I can't find freaking gear. Anyway, I'm feeling comfortable, so I'm going to go ahead and jump on the freeway and see how she does. It's just going to be a short, another few minutes. Just check the pickup and everything. And I'm going with no wind protection here at freeway speed, so we'll see how that is. Get off your phone, dude. And we're off. I was hoping he wasn't going to go on this side. Oh yeah. She definitely has some get up and go to her. I like it. I like it a lot. Plenty of pickup for a 689 cc to be exact. Plenty of pickup. She runs great, and that was not even really getting into it because I don't want to put too much stress on the bike. But yeah, just fine for freeway. And to be quite honest with you, the wind blast that I'm getting isn't anywhere near as bad as I thought it was going to be. I really thought it was going to kick the crap out of me once I got over like 70, which I'm sitting at 73 right now, and it's not bad. It's not windy today, so I'm not going to be able to get that experience. But when I bought my Harley Fat Bomb, I didn't have any wind protection on it yet, and that thing I had to hold on for dear life when I was on freeway speed. I was pretty much white knuckling it just to keep my hands on the handlebars on that thing with the wind blast that came off of it. So I was kind of expecting the same thing, which did not happen here. So anyway, sorry to say goodbye and then jump back in, but you know, since I decided to go on the freeway, I wanted to take you all with me for a little bit. So once again, I'm going to say, rub side down, shiny side up, stay safe, and get out there and ride. Peace out.